Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. Well, today here on Ron's Keto Cafe, today we're making a family favorite. We're making meatloaf, and I absolutely love meatloaf, and you can make it a number of different ways. Today we're going to be using the Pork and King pork rind that I picked up on Amazon, and I get most of my product on Amazon, the stuff that I can't find in a local store, because Amazon is really, really great. You can get just about anything. They're very reasonable on price, and it comes right to your door. You can also get, you might be able to find this at Walmart, still their online website, I don't know, but, and you can also make your own pork rind with a bag of pork rind and just grind it up in a food processor, or put it in a Ziploc bag and smash it down with a rolling pin or something like that. But yeah, this is a very, very simple recipe. I made it plenty of times before. This was another first time I had made this in the air fryer. I wanted to see if I could even make it in the air fryer and how it would come out. So once I dumped in all my ingredients in the bowl, and yeah, I did use my hands, so you know, don't be a policeman on my food. I mixed it all in together, and then I formed the meatloaf into the throwaway that I got at Ocean State job lot, and then I popped it into the oven. I think it was about 20 or 30 minutes. It wasn't that really long, and they put it on for 400 degrees, I believe. I have all the directions and instructions over the timeline while the video is being played, and then we'll come back and talk about it. But yeah, let me know if what's your favorite go-to. This is a great comfort food, by the way. Traditionally, I'd be eating meatloaf with potato and all that, but you know, we're doing low carb, and we're trying to cut the carbs down as many as I could, and yeah, it's been an uphill battle. And this particular recipe also, I put some frozen onions and peppers in them. They had a little freezer burn on them, but it was fine. It still came out okay. And you know, I mixed it all in with a little bit of cheese and that stuff there, and I put a little bit of sugar-free ketchup in it, and then I made like a hickory sauce to go on top of it afterwards when it was all said and done, before we finished it off in the air fryer. But yeah, it came out really fantastic. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'll be watching for another some more amazing videos on Ron's Keto Cafe. I've been really pushing out the recipes. I've been recreating recipes that I've already made. Plan on doing a whole series of ice cream videos, but since we're coming into the summer months, so be watching for those. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. Have a great day. Well, meatloaf is cooked. Started browning around the edges, and I think that's because of the sauce we put onto it. And check that out. I can't wait to dig into it later on in the week and try it. I'm just prepping my meals for the upcoming week. So this particular recipe called for 1 pound of ground beef, 20/80 chop, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, chopped onions, chopped peppers, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a dash of salt and pepper, and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now, instead of using the Italian seasoning, we had the seasoned pork rind, which already had all that ingredients in. And then we ended up making a sauce. So we ended up making a sauce for the topping. That called for 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/8 of a cup of brown sugar. Now, for our brown sugar, we use confectioner's syrup, which is perfectly fine for keto, and the sugar-free ketchup. And this is what I came up with. And I know it's done. I just shut off the air fryer. Look at that, guys, huh? So anyways, I hope you like this video. We'll give it a taste test later in the week, and I'll reheat it in the microwave and show you how it was all put together.